snow last night, and I want to show you guys where we're hiking to today. So if you can see, way over here, alright, that's called Black Hill Mountain, and that is where we're going to be hiking to today. So as you can see, we did get a lot of snow. It's beautiful out here, guys, and I think that you guys will really enjoy some of the scenery out here in the woods today that I want to share with you guys, because I always like waking up to a fresh snow, and it's always so pretty how it sits in the trees. Probably can see some of the evergreens back in the back there. Look at this guy. He's really got some covered on him there. So we'll go down in the woods here, deeper in the thick of it, and see if we can find some really pretty stuff for you guys here to look at. Some of you watching that live down in Florida, places where you don't see snow. So, oh, that's beautiful. Look at that. That just happened to be flying over right now. So I know a lot of you guys can really appreciate seeing the nice winter weather. And oh, there's another one back there. I don't know if you can catch that on video. Oh, that was cool. And I know a lot of you guys live in the city as well, so you don't get to enjoy, you know, the beautiful nature and the woods. So if I could show that to you guys, maybe brighten up somebody's day, somebody who doesn't get to really enjoy seeing nature and seeing the woods, hopefully I can do that, show somebody that, maybe make someone happy. And wow, they are really flying over back there. Look at that. That is cool. Focus. That is beautiful. Okay guys, I'm gonna get down here in the thick of this woods. The snow is so nice. And I'm gonna have to get in the old backpack here in a minute and put on some headgear because my ears are freezing right now. I just happen to have on my ball cap, like the silly goose that I am here. Okay, sorry about that, guys, but hopefully you guys like the snow, scenery. We're still trying to figure out what all we want to do with this channel. I don't want to just make it like only about hiking and only about backpacking and winter weather and stuff like that. I don't want it to only be about that. We want to do funny stuff. We want to do prank videos. We want to do pain challenges. So just sort of a mix of things. We're gonna make a video thanking everyone for us making it to 75 subscribers. You know, we thought that's awesome. You know, we're just getting started and we're at 75 subs, so that's really cool. So we're gonna do a bunch of different things with this channel. Let us know what you want to see. Hope you guys enjoyed the beautiful snow today. for watching, guys.
Peter Pan, that's what they call me. Promise that you never be lonely. Peter Pan, that's what they call me. Promise that you never